Administrators and sub-administrators have the ability to run the Assessment Trends by Subscription Group report to see trends based on benchmark data at the district level. Benchmarks are formative assessments and, unlike checkpoints, are only designed to be administered 2 to 4 times per year. Reference your assessment schedule to determine the best time to pull this report. Please note that it is not likely that a student will be administered every benchmark assessment. Service providers select the areas of assessment that are appropriate for each individual learner, likely tied to their IEP goals. To begin, navigate to the My Reports section under the My Account menu. Select the orange snowflake that represents Unique Learning System, and then expand the Benchmark section. Select the Assessment Trends by Subscription Group report from the left menu and start by configuring your options at the top of the screen. Select your desired subscription groups and school years. You can also select a particular benchmark category. Then select Run Report. For each category, you will be able to view the number of students that scored as Review Revise, Emerging, Instructional, or Mastery. The N2I GPS guides are available from the Administration menu for more insight on the scoring interpretations. You also have the ability to print this report, download it as a PDF, or download a CSV file. Within the CSV, you can see additional details and use the column options for quick sorting. These district-wide achievement reports will help you understand performance and student growth in key skill areas.